Wait, I must keep it so.
Nah, it's not gonna work. Okay. Hello guys. Guess what I've got for you today? An egg. We're having scrambled eggs for breakfast. Yeah. What a big egg that is. This is the normal chicken egg, and this is an ostrich egg that my son found in on the farm in Marmary. So he went to the farm with my uncle for the day, and he came home with 2 ostrich eggs. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to make it because he's been hounding me for the longest time to make this egg for him. So I'm not sure how to do it. This is my first attempt, so here goes. I don't have the whole drill thing to do it, and we're not gonna blow it out because of Corona. So we're just gonna try to smash it. I hope it's gonna work. And yeah, then I'm gonna make the scrambled egg. Yes, this is. Oh, imagine knocking someone with an egg like this on Guy Fawkes. Shoo, they'd be unconscious. Oh. I think I cracked him. Oh, you know what's in here? Yeah, the membrane wasn't penetrated. So I'm just trying to get all these little pieces out because we don't want to have it with the egg. Oh, this membrane is thick. Can you guys see in there? It's a thick membrane. Okay, here's another piece. It can come. Oh, look at that. Oh, you know, this is. Can you see that? The color. Okay, here goes nothing. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh my word. Look. It's because the kids were shaking it so much. Okay, got the whisk, and I'm just gonna give it a good beating shortly. Looks like I've emptied out a tray of eggs in here. It feels just like a lot of salt that you need. Okay, so it's ready to go into the pan. My grandma Smith had 9 kids, so I'm sure this would have been enough to feed all of them all at one go. Sure. How did the people manage back then? There were probably lots of ostriches running around. Sure. So I don't know how long this is going to take. This looks more like an egg soup. This reminds me of when I used to go camping with the school when I was in standard 4. Standard 4 is grade. What is grade? Standard 4, grade 6. And every morning they give us scrambled eggs and bacon. I always wondered, how do you make so much scrambled eggs for so many kids? So now we need to dish up. Bon appetit, you bony African feet. Bon appetit, bony African feet. Tastes very good.